Hi YouTube, doing a quick video on some information you might need if you have this faucet or any variant. I think there's a couple colors. It's the Moen 7864 EW and we have it in black. It's got the automatic sensor on it right there, as you can see, and the light was flashing blue for a couple days, and then it went, well, for a little while, and then it went a quick flash blue, and then all of a sudden it stopped working. So just assumed it's the batteries. I get under there, it's got this battery pack, and I replaced the batteries and the whole thing didn't work. I didn't touch anything else. Looked in the manual, went to the website, nothing. You expect for a couple $100, Moen, that there'd be some better information, and maybe I missed it, but I'm pretty careful dude. So if I missed it, maybe you guys did too. All you have to do, unplug the batteries, replace your batteries, unplug the sensor plug, okay, and then plug the batteries in first, and then give it a second, and then plug your sensor in, and you should be good to go. I hope this helps. If you like it, give it a thumbs up so it goes at the top so it helps other people. I guess that's how it works. I don't know. I'm just making this video for you guys because I've received a lot of YouTube help over the years. Just hoping to pay it back. Thanks, bye.